Hello, my name is Sam, a tour guide here in the beautiful continent of Europe, and this is Save Receipts, the easiest way to save your receipts to the drive for your operators or tour companies that you work for, tax consolidation, you name it. I originally built this for tour leaders working in Europe and around the world, but have seen a lot of people starting to use this for their own accounting purposes. It's the simplest way to go on your mobile device and to simply snap a photo of the receipt and save it to the drive. Today, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration about how Save Receipts works. And hopefully after the video, you will see just how simple your receipt filing can be. So what you're going to do is head over to SaveReceipts.com and we can click over here, Get Started for free. Now I'm already logged in, but what it will prompt you as a Google sign in as per normal, you just quickly sign in and you will see a screen that is similar to this. You have projects, take a photo and upload from library. Now, why is it so simple? Well, that is because this is designed for your mobile device. Save Receipts is a progressive web app, which means it works on any device. And so we wanted to keep it as minimal as possible. So 3 options here: My Projects, take a photo, and upload from library. So we're going to go through a quick example here. I'm going to have all these PDFs and images on my computer, and I need to organize them and upload them to the drive so that my operator, my tour crew, office team, whatever, they know what details, what receipts I'm referring to. So we just head over to upload from library, and I'm going to click on Rome receipt. And here is an example of Rome receipt. So it's going to automate the receipt data here, but we're going to call this Rome lunch. And it was at the Colosseo. That's the name of a fancy restaurant, I guess. And I had a big group. There, so we can say it was about 750 in total. It was actually quite recently. And it's going to save automatically into a folder called Save Receipts. And you can share this folder with your operations team or simply move it where necessary, but it is on your personal drive. You will see it says project, and this is an optional choice. What this does is it saves the receipt data that we put in here onto a separate Excel spreadsheet. This is very useful for collating all of the data from a singular trip into its different categories. So let's say I'm going to assign it to, going to put it down as food and dining, save to Google Drive. Fantastic, receipt saved. And so what that is going to do is put in the data into a new Excel spreadsheet, which is all there for the end of the trip. But folks, that is Save Receipts. Fairly straightforward, fairly simple. Head over to SaveReceipts.com to try it out. And if you have any feedback or any comments, make sure to leave them in the bottom of the video. But I look forward to seeing you all out on the road for the tour season. Have a fantastic time.